So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome guys in this brand new video. So this video is gonna be very special, very important and also a very beneficial video for all of the English learners, for all of the English beginners, for all of the English speakers and for all of them who wanna develop their English speaking skills, their confidence, wanna speak the English language good and well with people and also want to remove their hesitation and develop confidence. And also there are some people who wanna make their stock of words and stock of sentences bigger and also enhance. So just for all of them this video is perfect because in this video I am gonna give the best practice for English. Yes, the practice is very easy practice. You can perform this practice anywhere and in any time. Just think you are standing in a bus stand and you are thinking that now I have some free times, so I think that I should practice now. So how you will practice the English language at the bus stand? Okay, with this practicing you can practice in anywhere. Okay, not only in bus stand, your studies, your home, anywhere. Where are you? And if you have some free time, then you can use that free time by practicing. And also if you are thinking that this practice will be casual practice and if we do, then also we will not see good results or not good benefits. No, it is totally wrong. If you do this practice, then several benefits you are gonna see in your speaking. As I also said, confidence, speaking skills and also a lot more. So now guys, what is the practice? The practice is speaking English practice or English practice with anything or everything. Yes, speaking English practice. This practice name I just named it. So like for an example, I will give you an example. Like now I am in front of and also I am at our backyard. So now I am thinking that now I will practice the English language, but how I will practice English, and it also will take a long time. Okay, for speaking and practicing English, if you are thinking that it is normal, it is casual, that you are wrong. Okay, for to do any work and for to do every work, we need some preparation. And also for speaking English, we also need some preparation. When and where we will speak, and on the another hand, what about we will speak, it's also a very big tension. So now for me, every tension of yours, every tension of my work is only remove them. So now also this practice, you don't need to do anything, just stand somewhere and then just observe your environment. Okay, observe your environment, observe your background, and then after observing, select one thing. Okay, select one thing. It may be a living organism, sorry, not living organism, it may be a living thing, it may be a non-living thing, a object, anything. Okay, anything which is in front of you and you think that I can talk with this thing for a long time, just take it. Okay, just take it and put it in your brain, and for a little bit time just think about it. Okay, think about it, make sentences, and then after thinking, just start speaking in English. Okay, start speaking in English. You don't have to do anything, just make few sentences about the work, not the work, about the thing, okay, that you choose for to speak, and then just make few sentences. Now this practice, it's like it is not that much harder, but if you are a beginner, then you will face some problems. And not only for the beginners, every practice, everything, and also the most difficult part and the most difficult time for English, it is at the beginning part, at the beginning time. So now what you will do, because if you are also beginner, then you will understand the English language a little much, but when it is the time for speaking, you will not able to create sentences, make sentences, join words together. You will do grammatical mistake, and also you will not be able to use the grammars well. So now what is the question is, what is the answer? The answer is very simple. Just try. Okay, few days you will do the mistakes, but try and try. And the best thing I will say, that do this practice, because in this practice you also can use your phone. Okay, you can use your phone, like if you are just struggling to make and translate a sentence in English, then just open your phone, open the Google Translator, and just say the sentence with your mother tongue, and then Google Translator will just convert that sentence into English. And then after getting the sentence, repeat the sentence 2 3 times, and then make another sentences. Okay, and if you know how to speak the English language little much also, then do this practice every day after waking up, and also before going to bed. Just do this practice. Okay, doesn't matter what is the place you are sitting, what is the place you are in. Just think that now you are laying on your bed, and then you are thinking that now I should do and I should practice the English language because now I'm free, I'm not doing any work. And then in front of you, your fan is moving very fast. So just what will happen? People, they will sleep, but no, become different from the people. Just take the fan as a topic, as a subject, and then start making sentences in English with the fan. Okay, with the fan, like the how the fan is moving. A fan has three like hands. Okay, we also can say hands. And some fan also I saw that they have four four hands and four legs. You can say, you can just join what is coming into your brain, just join, because this practice is gonna be a sudden practice. You don't know what is your topic, you don't know, and you didn't prepare anything about your topic, but you just start speaking, and it will give you a good experience of conversation also. Yes, our conversation in our life in English, it is also same. Just think that whenever you also do a conversation with someone, an unknown person in your mother tongue, then do you just prepare first yourself? Not. And no, absolutely no, we don't prepare ourselves to do the conversation in our mother tongue. So how we do when someone come, and also we said hi, hello, and then the conversation start automatically. We say incidents, they say incidents. So English is all like that. Make yourself everything prepare. If you are thinking that if I do this and if I do any practice, if I do that, if I don't do that, then slowly I will be able and every problem will go. Okay, and I also will face everything. No, problems there will be, and they will always give you troubles until you just solve them. So just solve every simple problem and it will be very good. So now also for your example, I, as you can see, there also I am moving at my back at our backyard. Okay, it is our house. So moving, I am just searching for any, okay, any subject, like there also I have seen a stone. Okay, as you can see, this is a stone, and this stone is a very beautiful stone. This stone is a very simple and also a normal stone, but I have taken this stone, and now I am just speaking and making sentences with this stone. Okay, so as you can see, this stone is a very beautiful stone, and the shape of this stone, it is one kind of a mountain shape. Okay, it is a mountain shape. It is the lower part, it is the side part, and it is the another part which is just a bending a little bit. So this stone is simple, it is the front view of the stone and it is the back view. Okay, like also front view, back view. So as you can see, the front view is very smooth, and also the front view is like one kind of equal. Okay, every places are equal, they are not up and downs are there a lot. But in our on the back view, as you can see, there are also some places where the place is just going very deeper, and some places are also still, means it is one kind of a not stable. Okay, it's not stable, and everywhere and every places are not same here. So as you can see, the stone is very beautiful, and one side of the stone, it is very beautiful and very nice because all the sides are curves. Okay, curves. But another side, it is not curves, it is one kind of a rough. Okay, rough thing. And I also like the very interesting part is this stone is a natural stone, and I have gotten this stone from the railway station. Okay, I and my father, so for some videos, for the purpose of videos, we go to railway station every day. So at that place, if I also like any type of stone, then also I just take the stone and I bring it to house. So this is also one kind of a stone. And a few days ago now, in our house also, a workshop is going. No, now the workshop, in the workshop, asked my father and also some another teacher, they also just learn us how to paint and how to draw on the stones. Okay, it's called the stone painting. So stone painting, it is also very creative, so that's why for to draw on stones we need some stones. And then after taking our stone, we also draw on the stone a lot of kind of faces, a lot of kinds of drawings, arts, and it's also a very interesting thing. So guys, as you can see, it is a natural stone, but it's also natural, but as you can see, there is a totally line, one white line. So now what is the purpose and how the white line came here, I don't know that thing, but it is a natural thing. So it is very beautiful. It is one kind of a art of nature. We also draw on stones, but a nature also draw on stone. As you can see, it is the white line and totally it is natural. And also under the stone at the lower part, there is also some lines, okay, some circle lines. So it is the stone, and also like the stone there are other stone also like that. So as I also just see, as you see, you don't have to do a lot of things, just describe the object, describe the thing. Okay, now also like I am moving, and suddenly there is a plate. Okay, as you can see, it is a plate. It is not a usable plate, but now what I will do, what I will speak with this plate. So now this is a plate, and how we people, how we Indians, or how we everyone, we use this plate, I will describe it. What is the uses of this plate and how we use this plate, I will describe, like also the description of the plate. As you can see, it is the plate, it is a normal plate, it is the under part where we also just steal, and also we put the plate on the tables, and it is the lower part. So as you also can see, there are some a little bit like of borders are there, and under the plate the scenery, it is very beautiful. There is a garden of flower. Okay, in the garden of flower there are some flowers are there. There are some white flower and also some roses are there. I think that it may be rose, and all of the rose they are in the pink color. So it is a good and also a nice scenery, and we people, we use this plate for to serve, okay, serve dishes to our guests, to our people. So like I am also gonna tell one thing that I suddenly remembered, that this thing, okay, this is not called a plate, it is one kind of a tray. Yes, tray and plate, they are totally different, but we also can say it plate, we also can say tray, but it is tray and a teacup. So when also some guests come in our house, then we also just give them a lot of types of dishes with the help of the tray. Okay, it is also look very beautiful. So this type of only simple sentences you can make. And now also you can take a pen, you can describe the pen, what you do with the pen, and you also, if you have any type of story, then you also can describe it. So okay, first few in the beginning time it will be a little bit hard, but slowly when you will just become an advanced speaker, then you also have to increase your level, increase your stage of limit. Like you have to increase the sentences, you have to increase the time of your speaking. So now also, as you can see, I have taken some objects are there, not objects, they are fruit, and they are very good fruit. As you can see, it is the jackfruit. Yes, it is the jackfruit. The jackfruit is very big, and it is also in the condition where we people we can eat it. So like as you can see, the jackfruit, it is also very big jackfruit. It is the size of my face, and it is also very nice to eat with people. And also in not only in India, there are also a lot of places where people they eat the jackfruit as a fruit, and this jackfruit, it is a very good source of protein and also a lot of good things in our human body. But now the thing is that as you can see, I am just holding this jackfruit and I am taking with my two hands, but my hands they are hurting a lot, because as you can see, there are also like small holes became on my hand, because the jackfruit, it's also the texture of the jackfruit, it like it. Like there are also some small like needles type, okay, needles type things are there. So when you just hold a jackfruit with your two hands, your heart also at those needle types like things, it's also hurt your hands. So mostly I also think that in Tripura's people, we eat this jackfruit as the our food, and also it is very big and it is also very heavy. So when we will cut it, then there also we will get to eat some simple small like pieces of jackfruit, where also we can see some seeds are there. So we also just eat them, and also there are various techniques to eat the jackfruit. Like also you can eat the jackfruit rough, okay, just open the jackfruit, take a spoon and then start eating by picking up all of the fruits. And also another type is just take all of the fruit and also you can make juice. Okay, after making juice you also can take the jackfruit with, we say, like muri. So with the muris, and also means dry rice. So it is the thing, it is a very beautiful thing as there. Like fruit, it is, I also think that it is the biggest and also the heaviest fruit. So now I will also see you the another one, which is also very interesting. And this fruit, it is also the famous fruit of Tripura. So as you can see, it is the pineapple. Yes, the pineapple is also the very famous fruit of the Tripura, of the Agartala, because of the in the Agartala and Tripura places only we can find out this pineapple. And this pineapple, it is also very sweet to eat, and it is also one kind of fruit. And also as you can see, it is a very nice fruit. There are also some the design, the like type of this fruit, it is very interesting. Okay, there are also some lines are there, and then it is also just sign of a one cross. This design of the fruit, it is very nice. And also like that, the fruit is also very nice fruit. And as you can see, there are also some leaves are there, the leaves of the pineapple, and they are very dangerous, because they are not only leaves, they are the harmful leaves. As you can see, there are some simple needles, and also just like one kind of thing, I don't know exactly what is the name of this thing, but it is also, if someone just hold and hold the pineapple leaves directly, then also their hands can be hurt by the leaves, because there are also small needle types places are there. So they're also very dangerous, but this leaf, it is also one kind of a good. And as you can see, they are looking so good. And it is also the under part. So here it is the root where the pineapple just attach the tree. So this fruits, this is the art of nature. So whenever we people, we see and we enjoy and we feel good after watching the art of people, the drawings, a lot of things. But this is a really art of the nature, and it is a really great art. So as you can see, like just think a few things, a few just thinking that how it is also like how the nature have made this type of things. It's very nice. So that's why also, as you can see, like in our house, like now suddenly at the night, when my father went to the Udaipur, then at the road of coming, he also saw few fruits like that, one pineapple, one jackfruit, and also more few pineapples. And then he thought that we will eat this pineapple and fruit very well, because there are also some seasons are there where we can only eat and where we can take the pineapples and jackfruit, otherwise they will go. So that's why he thought that we should eat this, it's very good for health and also very tasty and nice fruit. So that's why he brought these two and also the another more fruits, and then now also suddenly my brain, like I am also just speaking and I am sharing the practice like that. So now also for that reason I am sharing this thing with all of you. This this practice is very nice and also a very easy practice. If you do this practice, then you are gonna see a lot of benefits in your speaking. So it was the thing that I want to share with you. And now also the last thing that I'm gonna talk about, it is my bed. And you can see, like, it is also bed and minimal it is one kind of a normal object that we Indians we use, and in everybody's home we can find out this bed. So it is also normal just thing that in your home you are just practicing the bed ball with the bed by yourself. Then just you think that I will do the practicing, so just use that time of the playing, because at that playing time you are just using your hands, using your body, but you are not using your mouth. So use your mouth and just make some sentences like, this is a very beautiful bed, and what is the cost of this bed, and from where you get this bed, how you get this bed. And also some people, they will also say that we have to do a lot of hard work for to buy this bed. And just describe the bed, like my bed, it is very good bed and it is also in the good condition, but the gripper, I don't know where the keeper. So like this bat company's name is My City Stroke, and also this bat is very powerful bat, but it is a normal playing bat. It is not bad. It is not that bad with the help we can play in the like ground, very big playground. It is like normal gully cricket bat, and also this bat is good. And I think that this bat here is almost like 4 years it may be, because once upon a time in our house my uncle came, and then after coming, he also, it was also my birthday, so that's why as a birthday gift my uncle gift me this bat. And this is also now also I have this bat for to play the cricket. I use this bat, so with the help of the bat we also can just stroke and we can do some lots of hits. And also for to play the bat ball we need what bat, one ball, some stumps, and also few people that can become the fielders, bowlers, batters, wicket keepers, umpires. So that's why the simple sentence you make, and it will be very beneficial for all of you. So as it was the video, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video, and my upcoming videos also, they are also gonna be about this topic, and I will share a lot of things also. So don't forget to watch them, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hitting the bell icon. Subscribe and hit the bell icon and give and share your thoughts about the practice. And just believe me, do this practice, it will be very beneficial and also a very fantastic practice. You will see a lot of benefits in your speaking. So bye bye, see you in another next video. To a great mind, nothing is little.